Hello everyone, hello dear students, Happy New Year. I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. As the students, in our last lecture we started exercise 7.5. So today in this lecture we are going to continue the same exercise. So let's continue. Exercise 7.5. Question number 2. Match the shape with its tiling. See, the question number 1 was also based on tiling. Question number 2 is also based on tiling. In first question, we need to color the tiles. But in second question, by the pattern, we need to find out the single tile. By so many tiles, we need to find out the single tile. Okay, students, so question number 2. Match the shape with its tiling. So question you need to note down. So note it down with the help of book. Till then I am drawing the matching column. Till then you also note down the question from the book. Some patterns are given there. With the help of those patterns, you need to find out the single tile. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. There are so many tiles. And with the help of this picture, we need to find the single tile of the pattern and match with them. These kind of questions are a little bit tricky but very simple. So when you will draw in the copy, that time you will be able to find out the single tile. So with me, you can also write down the question from the book. Be careful while drawing, because if you will make any mistake, then you will not be able to find the tile. So be very much careful. Okay, so these are ABCD are the patterns, and in this column the single tiles are given there. So let me draw them too, then we will solve the question. So this is the question. This is the first column. In this column patterns are given there, and in this column single tiles are given there. Okay, so see pattern number 1 or see the set of first one. See, there are square boxes. Square, 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 square everywhere. Whether you pick this one box or this one, these all are square boxes. So what we'll do, we'll match it with square. So find out square here. Yes, square is there. So we will match A Now let's move towards B. For finding out what we will do, we will find the smallest part of this. So many tiles are there, this is the pattern of tile. So we will try to find the smallest part of the pattern. So this might be the smallest part, and this is looking like an inverse triangle. This is how triangle look like, and this is inverse triangle. Inverse means opposite. Okay, so this is looking like inverse triangle. Let me find out the different one. This one. This is looking like a triangle. In this row, let me find. This is also looking like a triangle. This is looking like an inverse triangle. Means both of them are triangle. This one is simple triangle. This one is inverse triangle. Inverse means opposite. We just tilted the triangle. So by the observation, we can say that a single tile might be a triangle of this pattern. So is triangle there? No, this is not triangle. This is already done. This is also not triangle. Yes, this is the triangle. So we will match B with B. Yeah, very simple kind of questions. Now the next one. The outer one is a hexagon. See students, hexagon is a shape which is having 6 sides. Hexagon is a shape which is having 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's see the smaller parts. Diamond. I made a little mistake while making this. See, that's why I was saying. Now, we need to find the smaller parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides are there in square too, but the shape is diamond. The shape is diamond. See? Like this shape or this. These kind of shapes, all the shapes are diamond. So is diamond there in the next column? Let's find out. This is hexagon, not diamond. This is already done? Yes, this is diamond. So we will match C with this one. Okay? C with C. Diamond with diamond. Now the last one. These all are the hexagons. These all are the hexagons. See, hexagon is having 6 sides. The beehive like structure is there. All of them are having 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All of them are having 6 sides. So a shape which is having 6 sides, we call it as hexagon. So this is the hexagon and this is the pattern of hexagon we will match. So all of you do it in your copy, classbook copy. A shape which is having 5 sides, we call it as pentagon. This is the additional information. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The shape is having 5 sides, we will call it as pentagon. Now the shape, it is having 6 sides, we will call it as hexagon. So when you will go in higher classes, you will be able to know all these hexagon, pentagon and all other shapes with more than 4, 5 and 6 sides. So I think this much information is sufficient for you all. So do it fast. quickly, do it fast. So I hope students you are done. So let's move forward. See, with this question we are done with the exercise 7.5. Now after exercise 7.5 we will solve the revision time. That is given on page number 103. Page number 103. See student, as you all know that the revision time will remain in book only. No need to note down in classwork copy. This revision time will remain in book only. So, all of you open your book, page number 103. Revision time. Okay. So, the question number 1, complete the following table. See, there is a table given and we need to complete it. Question number 1. Now what we need to fill is, first of all, number of vertices, then number of faces and then number of edges. So first of all, let's start with vertices. As we all know that the cuboid is having 8 vertices, but let's count one more time the number of vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, there are 8 vertices. So we will write 8 in this column. Now the next one is number of faces. Let's find the number of faces. Okay, before doing number of faces, we will find the number of edges. Otherwise, the diagram will be so much messy. So first, let's find the number of edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many edges are there? 12 edges are there. So in number of edges column, we will write 12. Now we will find the number of faces. So let's find now the back side one. 1. Now the upper one 2. I hope you are able to understand. This one 3. This one 4. The back side one. So 5. And the bottom one 6. So how many edges are there? There are 6 faces. There are 6 faces in a cuboid. So number of vertices are 8, number of faces are 6 and number of edges are 12. Now the next one. See student, first understand and then when I will stop, then write down or copy down. Now the next figure B is a cone. where two sides meet, the point is called as vertex. So there is only one vertex in cone. Vertices is plural form and vertex is singular form. So the cone is having only one vertex. Now the next one is number of faces. See, this base and this circular, this flat face and this circular face. There are only two faces in a cone. Now, number of edges. So, only one edge is there. So, the number of vertices is only one vertex there. Number of edges 2 and number of faces 2 and number of edges is 1. Do it fast. Note down this much. There is only one edge, this circular, this round edge. Do it fast. Now the next one, see, there is a cylinder. There is a cylinder. Now, the number of vertices. Cylinder is having 0 vertices. No two straight sides are meeting. So, no vertices, no vertex, 0 vertex. Now, the number of faces. Now, you try to find out. We learn all these things. Yeah, think about it. Try to find out, think. Yes, number of faces is 3. We learned that this flat face, this bottom one flat face and this round face, circular face. So there are 3 faces. So in column number of faces we will write 3. So number of vertices is 0, number of faces is 3 and the number of edges is 2. There are 2 round edges. This one and the bottom one, top and bottom. These 2 round edges. See, cone is also having a round edge. A cylinder has 2 round edges, the top one and the bottom one. So, cylinder is having 0 vertex, 3 faces and 2 edges. So, students, note down this one, this much. Then we will continue. this much. Let's move to question number 2. Once again, let me remind you that the period time will remain in book only. Now question number 2 is fill in the blanks. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Question A. In a rectangle, pair of dash sides are equal. In a rectangle, see, this is a rectangle. We know that in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So, pair means two, pair means two. Pair of shoes means two shoes. Pair of socks means two socks are there. Pair of hand gloves means two gloves are there. So, pair means two. So, here also pair of sides means two sides. So, pair of dash sides are equal. So, we know that pair of opposite sides are equal. So, we will write opposite in A. Now question B, in a square. So first of all, let us draw a square. In a square, dash sides are equal. We know that all the sides of the squares are equal. So we will write all. In a square, all sides are equal. Now a point has no length or dash. We know that this is a point, this is a point, and a point has no length, no breadth. So we will write breadth here. A point has no length, no breadth. Now the next one, a line segment has dash and point. See, this is a line, this is a line, and this is a line segment. So line segment has 1 and 2, 2 end points. A line segment has 2 end points. Now next question E. A triangle has dash sides. So let me make triangle first. They are asking about sides. So 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Okay students, note down this much. Then we will continue. The answer for A is opposite, answer for B is all, answer for C is breadth, answer for D is 2 and answer for E is 3. Do it fast students. Dear students, I hope you are done this much. Okay, so we are done till E. So let's start with F. A triangle has dash vertices. Once again they are talking about triangle. A triangle has dash vertices. So let's count the number of vertices in triangle. 1. Meeting point of two sides. So this is 1, 2 and 3. We know that a vertex is a meeting point of two sides. So meeting point of these two sides, meeting point of these two sides, meeting point of these two sides. There are 3 vertices in the triangle. So answer for F is 3. G. A circle has dash sides and dash vertex. See, this is a circle. We know that the circle has 0 sides, and if no sides are there means no vertex is there. So 0 sides and 0 vertices. So answer for G is 0 and 0 in both the blanks. H. A rectangle can be cut. So first of all, let me make a rectangle. A rectangle can be cut into dash equal triangles. A rectangle can be cut into dash equal triangles. See, we need to make triangles. We need to cut this rectangle in such manner that triangle should be formed. So if I cut this rectangle like this, then two equal triangles should be formed. So if I cut this in diagonally way, this rectangle, then this 1 and 2 rectangles will be formed. So the answer for H is 2. Okay, so answer for F is 3, answer for G is 0 and 0, answer for H is 2. So students, note down this much. Do it fast. Students, you are done. So students, this is all for today's lecture, and with this we are done with our chapter shapes also. So this is all for today's lecture. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.